Federal emergency management officials are in Arkansas now, providing assistance to those who were impacted by a tornado outbreak way back in mid-March. Channel 7's Emma Allen joins us now with more on their plans and why this took so long. Emma.
Well, FEMA previously rejected Governor Sanders' request for an emergency declaration, stating the damage was not severe enough to bring federal officials in. But that's changed, and now counties in Arkansas will see some federal assistance.
March brought with it a historic tornado outbreak for Arkansas. 2 tornadoes with path lengths of 80 miles. Now, more than 2 months later, officials with FEMA are on the ground in Arkansas to assist with the recovery.
FEMA arrived the end of last week, so it was a pretty quick turnaround from the time that we got the declaration approved.
Arkansas Division of Emergency Management Director A.J. Gary says officials have set up shop in 4 different locations in counties that were impacted.
They are here to help individual citizens, those that were impacted by the storms, and they will be helping with any uninsured or underinsured losses that there may be.
FEMA originally denied Governor Sanders' request for individual assistance for Arkansans, but last week, following a phone call with President Trump, the governor announced the request had finally been approved. How long FEMA remains in Arkansas is to be determined.
They will be here basically until they're not needed anymore.
Gary says FEMA could be on the ground here in Arkansas for weeks or months, depending on the needs of those communities impacted. On your side, I'm Emma Allen.
Okay, we know those folks are glad to see them. Emma, thanks very much. For more information on how to apply for disaster assistance, head to our website, KATV.com.